Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.